In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create product ads for dropshipping. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Best purchase of the year, this tumbler. I put ice in it in the morning and the water is still freezing at night. Plus it's gorgeous. Link in my profile.
So to create that ads, first, you need to go to Novo Ads AI. The link of this site is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, first, we're going to do an image ad and then a video ad. So we need to click here in the See More option. And now we're going to use the functionality of image to product ad. Now we have to click here. And here we need to upload an image of our product. So let's click here. With that, we could click here in generate, but I want to add some text in the ad. So here in language, I'm going to choose English. And here where it says add text, I'm going to click yes. Now let's click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the ad. And as you can see, the quality is really good. I really like it. So now I'm going to teach you how to create an AI UGC video. For that, what we're going to do is first creating an image and then use this image as a reference to create a video. So let's go to the image section. Here we need to go to settings and we are going to change the model to GPT Image 2. Now in quality, I like to change it to medium because that way we can do 3 images of the medium quality for the price of 1 image with a high quality. So now we have to click here in reference and upload the same image as before of our product. So now here where it says describe your image, I'm going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. So let's click here. And now we have to wait another 1 to 2 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the images. And now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one. So I'm going to click here where it says use as a start frame. Now we have to go to settings. And here in model, I'm going to use Clink 3.0. Now here where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And you can use it and modify it as you want. So now let's click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Best purchase of the year, this tumbler. I put ice in it in the morning and the water is still freezing at night. Plus it's gorgeous. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks realistic. The quality was really good. And the lip sync as well was really good. So now that you know how to create AI UGC ads for your products for dropshipping, I wanted to tell you that in Novo Ads AI, we have an offer that you can try the platform for just $1. With that offer, you will receive 10 credits. And for example, if we come back here, we can see that this video had a cost of 5 credits. So you could do 2 videos like this one. So I recommend you to try the platform. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me here in the comment section and see you in the next video.